وهو القاهر فوق عباده ويرسل عليكم حفظة حتى إذا جاء أحدكم الموت توفته رسلنا وهم لا يفرطون.
And he alone holds sway over his servants and sets guardians over you till death approaches any of you, and our deputed angels take his soul, neglecting no part of their task.
ثم ردوا إلى الله مولاهم الحق ألا له الحكم وهو أسرع الحاسبين.
Then all are restored to Allah, their true protector. Behold, His is the judgment. He is the swiftest of those who take account.
قل من ينجيكم من ظلمات البر والبحر تدعونه تضرعا وخفية لئن أنجانا من هذه لنكونن من الشاكرين.
Ask them, O Muhammad, who is it that delivers you from dangers in the deep darknesses of the land and the sea? And whom do you call upon in humility and in the secrecy of your hearts? To whom do you pray? If He will but save us from this distress, we shall most certainly be among the thankful.
قل الله ينجيكم منها ومن كل كرب ثم أنتم تشركون.
Say, Allah delivers you from this and from every distress, and yet you associate others with Allah in His divinity.
قل هو القادر على أن يبعث عليكم عذابا من فوقكم أو من تحت أرجلكم أو يلبسكم شيعا ويذيق بعضكم بأس بعض انظر كيف نصرف الآيات لعلهم يفقهون.
Say, it is He who has the power to send forth chastisement upon you from above you or from beneath your feet, or split you into hostile groups and make some of you taste each other's violence. Behold how we set forth our signs in diverse forms so that they may understand the truth.